If you're feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or anxious, this tapping practice is for you. I'll guide you through EFT, emotional freedom technique, to release the negative charge out of your nervous system, giving it a reset so that you can feel peace and ease through your physiology, through your heart, body, and mind in real time. EFT combines tapping on acupressure points and calmly breathing through as we express honest words. It's not about forcing positive thinking. It's about giving your nervous system signals of safety to release triggers and tension so that you can breathe with more ease and live in your power in the present moment. Let's begin. You can repeat after me, follow along. We're going to start to tap on the side of the hand. Breathing in and out. Feel your hips centered and your feet on the ground. Your hips are the center of your body weight, tall spine, light shoulders and jaw. Switching hands, and we just breathe for a second here and tune in, relaxing the shoulders and jaw. Here we go. Even though I feel overwhelmed, and just go ahead and say it out loud. Even though I feel overwhelmed and stressed, I'm open to feeling supported. Even though I feel overwhelmed and stressed, I honor and appreciate who I am right now. Take those long exhales. Even though I feel stressed and tense, I honor and accept who I am right now. Long exhales release stress and tension. Let's continue to tap through the point at the start of your eyebrow. Either hand, you're always free to change hands. Feeling this tightness. Feeling disconnected. Overthinking. Overwhelmed. Just want to slow down and let go. I just want to slow down and let go of all the tension, of holding, of bracing, side of the eye. I can feel this tightness in my chest, shallow breathing. I could feel this tightness in my shoulders and in my neck, this muscle tension. I choose to let it go. I choose to let go of this tension. I feel my feet on the ground. I feel my hips supported, tapping underneath the eye. Showing up for myself, taking care of myself. I honor and appreciate who I am right now. I'm open to feeling lighter, tapping underneath the nose. I release this pressure. I release this pressure on myself, in my body. I choose to breathe slower and deeper. Take a long exhale and let go. I choose to let go and allow my energy to flow freely through my body. I feel lighter through my shoulders, lighter through my jaw, calmer and more open in my breathing. Collarbone points, you can use both hands. I'm open to feeling more peaceful and easeful. I choose to relax fast through my mind, through my shoulders, through my hips, knees, feet, and toes. Breathing in. Letting go. Top of the head. I allow myself to relax. I allow myself to relax. I'm open to feeling lighter. I can imagine feeling peaceful and easeful. Bringing it back to the collarbone points. I feel more relaxed. I choose to feel peaceful. I'm more grounded, more calm, more clear. Breathing in. I love and appreciate who I am right now. Change is positive. I've just created positive change. I honor and accept who I am right now. Taking your hands to the back of your head, neck, and shoulders. A concrete expression of self-love and care as you massage the back of your neck, head, and shoulders. Stimulating your vagus nerve, producing oxytocin, strengthening self-trust, love, and care in the present moment. That was a 5-minute tapping practice that you can use anytime to reset your nervous system and feel more peaceful and present in your body. If this gave you relief, subscribe for more EFT tapping sessions together and body-based tools to improve your health, peace, and well-being. I'm Nikki Castor. Thank you for joining me today.